So hey hello guys, welcome back to Nickel with me. This is Shadowboy and today we're gonna play. Welcome back to my Sniper Execution. So we're gonna play Police Simulator guys. We're gonna play a policeman guys. Play wonderful policeman guys. We're gonna play. We're just gonna cut this sign in guys. Just a minute. So welcome back to the video guys. So we have started this game guys. Name is Police Simulator guys. We'll accept well and we'll go and we'll play guys. Just a minute guys. I'll be starting the video in few seconds. So guys, we'll continue. We'll just select. We'll go change. Okay, let me see if we can buy cars. So we cannot buy cars. Okay, we can't buy cars. So we'll guys will go out. Okay, guys. So guys, like to subscribe to the channel. We'll go for manual guys first. We'll go for manual so that we can play better. So guys, let's go for the. We'll take a first. We'll take a city tour guys first. So guys, I want to drive fast. In this manual guys, you have to control it by yourself. Okay, we'll control it by ourselves. We have to change the gears by myself. After that, if we can't, we'll go for automatic gear change. So guys, we'll take a city tour guys. Okay, so guys, if you like the music, also like. So guys, if you like this video, please like us, and if you like the music, the behind background music guys, so guys, I'll leave that also link in the description guys, if you want guys. Okay guys, make this like the video. So we'll go with the tutorial guys. So we have the handbrake, and we have the accelerator over here, and we have steering over here, and you can change the gear and you can drive. And you see these small buttons which show the arrows, the down arrows, that are known as the indicators guys. So guys, we have three views guys, as you can see, three views. So this three views so good, and you get the sound effects also well guys. So guys, we are driving. Okay, I just put the indicator. See the other indicator in the left guys. This is the left indicator as you can see. So this is another view, and this is the normal third view guys. So I'll just turn the video guys. I'm not able to drive, so I have selected. I put the steering sensitivity more guys, and I'm putting force mirrors on guys, and I put auto gear guys. So you're gonna go inside the game guys. So we have to buy a present to take someone to prison guys. So guys, I request 30 lakhs for this guys. Okay, so for taking someone to jail, we need to buy this. Okay, I don't have enough money. I'll select other jails. No, I have no money. So I have to need $5,200 guys for this. So guys, we'll go to the side. We'll go for a class. How much? Okay, I don't want free wash guys. I'll just cancel. So guys, we'll go for how much we have done. Okay, we're junior rank, not ticket. Okay, traffic stops, speed cards. Okay, we need to do this activity guys. We'll do this as fast as we can guys. So guys, see you in the next clip. So guys, we'll select auto guys. We'll select auto gear. So guys, music, if you don't like music, please, if you want detail guys, I'll just give a link in the description. Okay, we'll start guys. Okay, we'll go to highway. I think highway is good. We'll go to highway. Okay, we'll start it from here. Okay, we'll go front as we went. Okay, I'll take a left. Oh bye heavy driver हो भाई तुम. I was just telling myself guys, heavy driver हो भाई, मौज कर दी. Okay guys, we'll get horn. Oh, what glitch was it guys? That Michael just did not even turn, and it just got a glitch. Oh, I think he's scared of policemen. Okay, let's go. So guys, I just need 30 likes guys, not 30k. I just need 30 likes, 30 likes. So we'll go to the highway guys if we can catch anyone. चलो हम चले गाड़ी लेके तुम्हारे घर में जाएंगे. Okay, this is the first view and second view. Oh no भैया heavy driver हो भैया तुम. Okay, I'll just drive like this. Okay, let me see if I need to catch someone. Okay. Oh भाई, you're going this much speed. Wait, you're taking revenge with police वाला. रुक, पुलिस वाले का पावर दिखा दो. Hey, stop the vehicle over here. Beep. Okay, brake लगा दे. I'll just go out of the vehicle. Wow guys, what a view guys. We have to. Whoa, what a view guys. Oh my god, what a view guys. You take a beautiful view from here guys. Wow, this is a 3D, like 3D of. Okay, how do I stop this guy? Okay, I need to go that side I think. So this guy was very, he was going at that speed. Okay, I think I'll go front. Oh madam, open the door. What did you do? Okay, I don't need to cost it this much. I'll take away money from her. I'll take full money for her. Okay, we'll take full money. We'll put she has drunk. No, we'll give full only guys. We'll put she has hit my vehicle. Yeah, she has hit my vehicle. She has gone in high speed. All okay in her vehicle, but in my okay, we'll give her ticket. Okay, madam. So we have got 50, 60. We got. Oh, guys, we got 95%. One milestone completed, guys. Okay, get lost, madam. Here you come and fight with me once. Okay, guys, let's go with the car. Okay, I'll take. Oh no. I think I have crashed all back. Okay, we'll go. Okay, mission completed. Let's go, guys. Okay, I just turned off the indicator, guys. I'll just go. Okay, do have any, we don't have any GPS to change the sensitivity, guys. So guys, this is beautiful video, guys. Make sure like subscribe to my channel, guys. This tutorial and the gameplay is going very funny. So guys, I think I'm gonna keep an good, I'm gonna keep some better thumbnail for this if I can. Okay, we'll go in high speed, guys. Oh, it's gonna crash. Okay, madam, drive slowly. Whom we arrest? Oh, no, stop. Eee. Oh no. You have to stop the vehicle. Okay. Who is that going in speed? I just goes. Hey, your vehicle, you're gonna have. Okay. Crossing the limit way, even if policeman is there. Okay, stop, madam, stop. Please exit the vehicle first. What, madam, driving this much speed? Tell me, how much speed can you go? This is too bad, no? Tell me. I'll just go and take, madam, open the door. Okay, it is sir. He looks like Christopher from the Rakshasa movie. James Wood. Okay, I'll keep everything I need money from now. Okay, guys, we have 100% master. Okay, sir, get lost. I gotta repair my vehicle also, guys. Okay, okay. So, guys, you have spent 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes, guys. You spending 6 minutes, and now it's going to be 7 minutes. You're just spending only 7 minutes of your day with me, guys. 7 to 8, 10 minutes at least you're spending in my with your life with me, guys. Just 10 minutes you're playing with me, guys. Okay, we have got 7 minutes for it. I'll just add intro and outro for this video also, guys. Oh bhai, who is this? Oh bhai, who are you? Oh no, this much speed. Oh bhai, heavy driver हो बेटा तुम. बड़े हरामी है बड़ा तुम. इतना रुक. I'll just come and I'll just suspect spotted. Okay, he has crashed even my vehicle. I think I usually crashed my vehicle. No problem. Okay, sir ji, madam ji, who is that? Okay, madam ji, open the door. Open the window. Hey, open the window. I'll shoot in your face. Madam, why did you drive this much fast, madam? Okay, Karen Wood name. Wow. What kind of people you are, bro? Get lost, madam. I have taken full fine from you. Oh, don't listen. Okay. Oh no, guys, this much happened because of me. So guys, for today only this much, guys. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. So guys, see you in the next video and like this video if you like that. Bye.